All right, we've got an update for you from the courthouse. That pretrial hearing for Luigi Mangione that was supposed to happen again today has been postponed until Monday. CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman joins us from outside State Supreme Court in Lower Manhattan. So, Katrina, explain to our viewers what happened.
Vlad, we learned this morning in court that Luigi Mangione is sick. Court was starting late. Everyone was sort of standing around and talking. Eventually, the judge came to the bench and announced that Mangione was sick. That was then confirmed by his defense attorney, Mark Agnifilo. So there will be no court today. We are back again on Monday. And it's expected that this could continue well into next week, Vlad. We're planning to hear from many witnesses. So far, we've heard from police officers who went to the McDonald's in Altoona the day that Luigi Mangione was arrested. We also heard from someone related to the surveillance footage that was taken from that McDonald's. But with these police officers, Vlad, we've been seeing every minute moment of what happened when Luigi Mangione was approached, when he was spoken to by these officers, ultimately arrested, his bag was searched, he was brought to the police station. And all of these cumulative moments are significant because they will ultimately determine the outcome of this pretrial hearing. While it basically feels like we're in a trial, this is really just preliminary to determine what can come in later, which of his statements, which of the evidence that was collected that day. Significantly, we have seen that at a couple moments, Mangione indicated he did not want to talk to the police. One of them, Patrolman Fry, who testified yesterday, had been asking him some questions, and he testified that Mangione didn't want to talk to him. Later on, after he was read his Miranda rights, he also chose to remain silent. But during this period in between, the officers engaged him in some conversation, and he did end up speaking to them. So we'll have to see how the judge ends up feeling about that, Vlad.
All right, Katrina Kaufman with some crucial details about Luigi Mangione and the trial that has now been postponed until next week. Thank you, Katrina.